Serious concerns are being raised this evening about emergency response capabilities in St. Catherine. Members of the Jamaica Fire Brigade are warning that limited ambulances, outdated equipment, and increasing medical emergencies are placing significant strain on the division. The issue was brought to light during a recent council meeting. More in this report.
More than 200 emergency calls. That's what the St. Catherine Division of the Fire Brigade responded to during the reporting period spanning Waterford, Spanish Town, Linstead, and Old Harbour. Those incidents involved an estimated $562 million in property. Of that sum, approximately $75 million was lost, while nearly $488 million was saved. But firefighters say behind those numbers is a system under serious strain.
We have only 2 ambulances in St. Catherine Division, one in Waterford, one in Linstead. They cannot respond to the inadequacies as it relates to what's happening really in the medical emergencies.
In Linstead alone, at least 52 medical emergencies were handled in a single month. The division also recorded 10 structural fires, injuring 12 adults. 9 people were injured in motor vehicle crashes, with several transported to hospital. Assistant Superintendent at the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Everton Dudley, shared a deeply personal account, revealing he suffered a heart attack while on duty last September.
The only reason why I say I'm here right now was because of the medical services that the Waterford Fire Station had given to the fire department itself. There are other members within the department who are suffering from a lot of medical conditions. And we are saying the strain that is on it, both for workers and citizenry, it's pretty great.
The testimony prompted an emotional response from the councillor of the Waterford Division, Fenley Douglas, who is now calling for urgent modernization of the 155-year-old Jamaica Fire Brigade.
In 2026, Chairman, our fire vehicles, the emergency vehicles, are still not equipped with any GPS system or what we would call Garwin satellite system, so they can know where they're going. They have to be using their personal phones. 6-7-30 people shouldn't be using the same breathable apparatus, Chairman.
The councillor is also proposing that the fire brigade be reassigned from the Ministry of Local Government to the Ministry of National Security and Peace. Firefighters say they remain committed to serving residents, but warn that without upgraded equipment, response capacity across the parish could be further limited. Aliyah Bryant for TVJ News.
We take another break, but please stay with us because more local stories when we return.